Hare Krishna. Today I'll discuss about squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. Squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. Squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. Whatever you can call it, squeeze or sandwich. Suppose fx is a function which is less than equal to hx and greater than equal to gx. Gx lesser than equal to fx and lesser than equal to hx. And if a is a point where limit x tends to a, gx equal to limit x tends to a, hx equal to something like L, whatever constant you can take, then limit x tends to a, fx will also be equal to L. This is called sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem. If gx lesser than equal to fx lesser than equal to hx, and if a is a point where limit x tends to a, gx equal to limit x tends to a, hx are equal to a constant called L or whatever, then limit x tends to a, fx will also be L. The left hand side function and the right hand side functions, both limit will be must be equal. Okay, let's take an example. This is called squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. Let's begin with that example. Limit x tends to 0, x cos 1 by x, where x not equal to 0. As we all know that cos of 1 by x less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. So we are doing one thing, we are multiplying x both sides. So what we will get? Cos 1 by x less than equal to x. Now suppose this is fx, this is hx and this is gx. See, limit x tends to 0, minus x equal to what? 0. Limit x tends to 0 plus x equal to what? 0. So what we get? Limit x tends to 0, gx equal to limit x tends to 0, hx equal to 0. So we can conclude that limit x tends to 0, x into cos 1 by x equal to also 0. So this is the application of squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. Squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. Let's take another example. Next example I have taken, limit x tends to 0, x squared sine 1 by x. In same way we can write sine 1 by x less than equal to 1, greater than equal to minus 1. Now I am multiplying x square both sides. Very simple. Now limit x tends to 0, minus x square equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0, plus x square equal to 0. Hence we can write limit x tends to 0, x square sine of 1 by x equal to 0. Okay, so these were the applications of squeeze theorem. You'll get in the next class. I will come with more this type of examples from last 10 years or 20 years JEE. Okay, so let's go to another one. Now we are going to do a different kind of problems from limits, like limit x tends to infinity fx to to the power gx. fx to the power gx. Okay. In JE, you have to apply a formula. We will apply this formula. Limit e to the power, limit x tends to infinity, fx minus 1 whole to the power gx. Okay. Limit x tends to infinity, fx minus 1 whole to the power gx. So let's do some examples from here. See, I have written two examples, two type of problems. So let's do. So suppose this is fx and this is gx. So what I told you, e to the power limit x tends to infinity, fx minus 1, that is x square plus 5x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 2 minus 1 into gx. Okay, equal to e to the power limit x tends to infinity. If I subtract, what I will get? I will get x square will be cancelled, 5x minus x, 4x, 3 minus 2, 1. Now multiply this x, limit x tends to infinity, 4x square plus x by x square plus x plus 2. As because you know that in case of this type of problems, I have to divide numerator and denominator by the highest power of denominator. By the highest power of denominator. So what will happen? 4 plus 1 by x divided by 1 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square. As x tends to infinity, 1 by x will be tends to 0. If x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. So the answer is e to the power 4 plus 0 by 1 plus 0 plus 0. That is e to the power 4. E to the power 4. So it is clear? Is it clear? First I have subtracted 1 from fx and I have multiplied gx. Okay. Then numerator and denominator's power will become same. If it is not also same also, then what you will do, you will take the highest power from denominator. You have to take the highest power from denominator. Okay, and you have to divide this with, you have to divide this power in numerator and denominator. Like I have divided by x square in numerator and denominator. Then I can put 1 by x equal to 0. So this is a very easy one. In your JEE exam, especially in state board exams, in West Bengal JEE, it's a very common question. And JEE main also, you'll get this type of questions. Okay, so let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. It's very easy. E to the power limit x tends to infinity. I have to subtract fx minus 1. I am doing it mentally. Limit x tends to infinity, 6x by x minus 2. Here it is x power 1, x power 1 I have to divide by x. Limit x tends to infinity, 6 by 1 minus 2 by x. That is e to the power 6. That is e to the power 6. Okay. So you see guys, this is a very easy step to do. You have to first write e to the power limit x tends to infinity, fx minus 1 whole bracket gx. Then you have to divide both numerator and denominator by the highest power, highest x power in denominator, and then you have to put 1 by x equal to 0. So it's a very easy one. So let's take another example. So this is the next problem I am going to solve. E to the power limit x tends to infinity. I have to subtract this from this. That is 2x square by 1 plus x square. This will be cancelled. It will be 2 by 1 plus x square. Now what I have to do, see there is no x in numerator but there is x square in denominator. I have to divide both numerator and denominator by x square. That is 2 by x square, 1 by x square plus 1. So that is e to the power 0 by 0 plus 1, that is e to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay, I have to divide both numerator and denominator by the highest power of denominator. For that, whatever answer is going to come, it will be. Okay, so what you learned here today, you have learned that what is squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem and what is this kind of limit problems you have learned today. In the next class, I will be coming with L'Hopital rule. You may call it L'Hospital, L'Hopital, whatever you call. In the next class, I will come with L'Hopital rule. Okay, all kind of limit problems, that is 0 by 0 condition, infinite by infinite conditions, all kind of conditions I will come with L'Hopital rule. So, do practice in your home. Hare Krishna, goodbye.